Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Body Cam. Watch this woman's excuse when she's pulled over by police by the DC Shorts.
I am about to record them, and I'm showing them in court. You're racist, and he been.
You're already on there. You're on video too.
Okay,
So go and step aside.
Been racist.
All right, let's get out of here, guys. Let's get out.
What the hell? Watch this woman's excuse when she gets pulled over and removed from the vehicle for allegedly having no driver's license or insurance. Does not anywhere. Oh, they think the car's stolen. I can tell you that right now.
You're driving. When you pulled that little stunt over there, how you cut everybody off and accelerate like a crazy person.
I wasn't.
Ma'am, there's traffic heavy here. There's no need for that. That's caused accidents. So I need your license.
How you gonna do that with no driver's license though? You supposed to be driving like an old lady, following all the laws.
What's the attitude about, sir?
Because your driving's horrible. There's no need for it. You could have caused 2 or 3 accidents.
No, I was driving so I wouldn't cause no accident.
No, you were driving
I gotta use that one.
aggressively.
I was getting away from the traffic because
You know what?
They wasn't even going.
There's bumper to bumper traffic at 91 at this hour. You should not be driving that way. You were so lucky that you didn't cause an accident.
No, I wasn't doing 91, and then the lady wasn't even doing the speed limit that I was behind, so I went beside her.
Do you know what the speed limit is right here?
It's not what she was doing.
What's the speed limit here?
It's 5.
No, it's 25. Okay, that's a license.
Dumbass.
You don't have insurance?
I do have insurance. I said I don't have my insurance card with me.
Okay.
So.
Can you bring it up on your phone or
She ain't got insurance.
no? Come out of the car for me, please. I need you to step out of the car.
Yeah, and I'm asking.
Your license is suspended.
Okay, my license. I just made a payment. It's Saturday.
Well, and then we go by the computer, and the computer is suspended. Do you have any paperwork on you?
She said she gotta pay by Saturday. I know you fucking lying.
So anyway, I need you to step out of the car. Because I asked you. So please step out of the car. Step out of the car. Ma'am, step out of the car.
Since he walked up to the car.
Okay. Well, ma'am, but we saw you have to follow his orders and step out, and we'll talk about it back in his vehicle, okay?
And his vehicle?
We're
Yeah,
gonna go
you're-
back here because we don't want.
You're not under arrest right
stand
now.
here. We're just gonna come back
So
this
just
way.
stay. Come on out of the car. We got paperwork to do.
It's to protect themselves because they got cameras on their car.
All right, leave your purse there for me. All right, you don't have anything on you? No weapons, anything like that?
No.
Okay, we're gonna put you in the back of the car.
You're gonna come back here.
In the back of my ear?
No, the police car. You have nothing on you? What's in your pocket right there? In your right pocket?
She a nurse.
Nothing? Okay.
Okay. Why? Just because I'm black don't mean I got weapons.
No, listen, ma'am, we ask everyone.
That's for everybody, babe, because it be the most random people pulling weapons.
Yeah, I just showed them everything and everything. They don't care about that. They so racist. I can't wait to
All right, we're done.
Oh, God.
Here, we're done here, guys. Go. We're done here.
They towed her car. But that's not the end of it, guys. There's more.
We're done here. Stay away from the car.
This is my car.
Stay away from the car.
This is my car.
Stay away from the car.
Okay, I was getting.
Joe, get in your truck and go.
Why
Get in your truck and go.
touch me? That is so racist. Y'all is so racist.
Oh, everything's racist.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's all it is. It's only excuse you got.
Was it racist or was it the fact that you have no driver's license? Well, you got a driver's license that's suspended, but you have no insurance. They can see that shit now. That's crazy.
The fact that you don't have a driver's license, no insurance, expired tags.
I do have a driver's license.
Has nothing to do with anything. It's our fault, right?
And he didn't give me my insurance. Where's my driver's license at?
That's gonna be it to the court.
Oh,
They some hoes.
no, why would you take my driver's
Property of the state of Ohio.
I never in my life had to go through this with nobody
Property of
else.
state of Ohio.
Why is it property of state of Ohio?
Because it's
I never
suspended.
got my driver's license taken.
It's suspended.
But I never got them taken.
Okay,
ever.
that doesn't
Even
mean-
if they was, but,
Just because other people don't want to do it the right way doesn't mean we're
it's not the right way. Y'all just racist as fuck.
Okay, all right, we're out of here. You know what? We're done. What are you doing? You're not getting in the car. You're not getting in this car. Get away from the car.
Why is she telling the cop to shut up?
Don't tell me. Get away from the car. Get away from the car.
Like I said,
Why you keep fucking with her, dog? That's what I want to know.
shut up.
No.
What is she doing wrong now?
Oh, you shut up.
No, you should do
No,
something.
I'm not going to.
Do something.
Get away from the
Do
car.
something.
Get away from the car.
Do something.
That is not the route you want to go, babe.
Get in the car.
Do something. Do something.
Get away from the
Do
car.
something.
Get
I
on
want my
side.
driver license. That's what I want.
Okay.
No, I am about to record them, and I'm showing them in court you're racist. And he been,
You're already on the you're on video too, so go ahead and step aside.
He been racist.
All right, let's get out of here, guys. Let's get out.
Away from the vehicle.
road. Get out of the roadway.
What the fuck? Why she wouldn't get out the road? Oh, she just fought the cop. Yo, ass going to jail. You can't do that. Like, I don't give a fuck what they did or said. Once you throw a punch at them, baby, you in the world full of hurt. You just don't know it.
Stop me! Get off!
Wow.
I didn't do anything. See, I'm not doing anything. I'm not. Why did I touch you?
Oh, because she was sitting there refusing their order, standing by the car. Okay. I mean, I don't think they should have did her like that though. That was a little bit aggressive, bro. But what the fuck?
I'm not doing anything.
Away from the car.
I'm not doing anything.
It's obstruction and assault on a police officer.
Oh, my head is in the grass.
So look, real quick. When an officer is giving you a command, you have to follow that command. You know what I'm saying? Because they are in charge of the whole situation of what's going on. You sit there and tell them that you not finna do nothing, or you know, not listening to their commands. They're telling you to do something. This is what happens. It don't got nothing to do with race. It's about dumbasses. You got dumbasses in every ethnicity. I seen somebody said that I only react to videos of black people getting arrested. You do not watch my fucking channel, because I react to all types of people, women and men. You get what I'm saying? And it's really just stupid in every ethnicity. And I don't really see skin color, bro. Me personally, I just see the human race. We all bleed the same. We all are born the same, and we all gonna die the same, bro. I don't give no fucks about your skin color. You know what I'm saying? I love my skin color. You feel me? But it gets to a point to where home training and discipline takes an effect. When you are raised to hate the cops and fuck the cops and would do like that, that's gonna be your bravado. It's gonna come with a lot of hurt. It's gonna come with a lot of shit. I got a friend that was raised like that, and all it's done is hurt him. And at the end of the day, cops are regular people, bro. It's been so many times, bro. I'd have had a cop mad at me, but since I'm such a people person, I'll say some slick shit, make them laugh, and they forgot what the fuck they was even trying to get onto me about or get mad, bro, because I know how to turn the situation around. You get what I'm saying? And like, I just don't be understanding why it'd be so hard for people to just fucking listen to a cop's command so you could go on about your day. I really don't be getting it. I really don't.
This is so racist. Like,
Punching me is racist.
yes.
That wasn't racist. That was just assault, babe. That was a stupid assault, if I might ask.
I didn't punch you. I promise I didn't punch you.
It's on body cam.
But all that time I was just doing it, I wasn't resisting. Huh?
Okay.
I'm
We're
not
gonna stand you up.
Look, I know why she mad. Look at that ponytail. Her shit go right here. It just stopped.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What was she charged with? Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. We out.